Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video on the View into Hux World, and today we got another bad free watch face for you all to check out. Again, I don't know how long this one is going to be free. Shaz is in the building, and this one is not a new watch face, but just in case you wanted to download this without paying, it's going to be free for the taking right now in the Gear Manager store, so download ASAP. Now, the name of the watch face is called Circus. I like what my man did with this watch face. This one is nice. I like the font. I like the look of the animation in the background. Now, in the AOD mode, you're going to get a nice digital time. You're going to be able to see some of your information at a glance in this mode, which isn't bad at all. But once it's on, let's take a look at it. First, take a look at the animation. I like the way it looks. I like the design of it, and I like the motion as well. Now, if you look up at the top, you're going to get things like, of course, your battery info, floors climb. You're going to get your step information, calories burned. You're going to get the day of the week. I love the font of the text and the digital time. Your digital time is nice and bold. Of course, you get your date, you get your month. You come all the way down to the bottom. This is your step info. Of course, the weather is going to be in the middle and how many miles you have walked or ran thus far. Again, my man did a good job on this one, and it is in the active. So if I tap right here, I can go get calories burned, step information, things of that nature. Over here, of course, is my battery info, but it tells you, you really don't have to go into that. Same thing with the date. If you tap on it, right, you can go in and set an event if you so choose. Down at the bottom, if I tap here, I can go into a favorite. I got one more over here. So I got two favorites that I can set to make my watch face very, very convenient. And in the middle, you're going to be able to go into your weather, which weather is important, especially around this time. It's like 91 degrees today. I think it reached 94. And if I double tap in the middle, I can change the color theme of the watch face to many, many different colors, like 13 in all. My man Charles did a good job on this one, as he always does. And I like it. Question is, at the end of the day, people, did you like it? All right, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this watch face. And if you enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And make sure you subscribe to the channel as well. All right, you all, I'm going to see you all at the next video. Take care.